In this video, we'll go through the unboxing of and pairing of the Milano Connect Thermostat. Your Milano Connect Thermostat consists of a user manual, the thermostat itself. Beneath that we have the external temperature probe if it's being used in conjunction with underfloor heating, and a fixing pack. We recommend installation by a qualified electrician. To pair the thermostat with your smart device, press and hold the middle button on the thermostat, and then press the right button to select the Wi-Fi logo before pressing the center button again. Open the Ecoso app on your smart device, click Add Device, wait for the thermostat to appear, click on it, enter your Wi-Fi information, making sure that you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The thermostat will then pair. When this is complete, press Done. Press the buttons as shown on the thermostat to return to the main menu. Pairing is now complete.